Hello， 我是 Uncle Jimmy， 我来啦。
今天的主题是为了展现男子气概，坚持自己组装新买的巨大电视壁挂架，结果完全看不懂说明书。
Jimmy, are you sure you don't want to call the installation guy? He said he could do it in 20 minutes.
Honey, please, it's just a TV mount. How hard can it be? I built that shoe rack last year, didn't I? I am very handy.
That shoe rack had exactly 3 pieces, Jimmy. This box has, 100 screws?
Quantity doesn't matter. It's about logic. Where's my drill? I specifically put it on the counter this morning.
It's right next to your foot, under the cardboard. Maybe you should slow down and actually look at the parts list first?
I don't need a list. Now let's hold this bracket up to the wall. Tell me if it looks level.
It's in my hand, here. And Jimmy, look at this diagram. It says, Step 1, identify your wall type. Is this drywall or concrete?
It's a wall, honey. Hard surface. Concrete, probably. Let's just start drilling.
Wait, stop. If it's concrete, you need a masonry bit. You're just smoking up the paint.
Masonry bit? Right. I knew that. I was just checking if the drill battery was full.
Right. Please, just let me read the instructions aloud.
Instructions are for beginners. Let's see here. Attach bracket A to... Wait, which one is bracket A?
It usually has a sticker on it.
No sticker. Okay, fine. Let's just use the longest screws for the wall. That makes sense, right?
The manual says to use the wall anchors first. If you don't, the TV is going to smash the coffee table.
Anchors. Oh, wall anchors. Yes, I knew that. I was just testing you.
Then tell me, what are these M8 bolts for? They look too big for the bracket.
M8, that's probably for a different model. They always include extra stuff to confuse you. It's a marketing tactic.
I think they go into the back of the TV. The instructions show them right here. See?
Are you crazy? We haven't even finished bolting the bracket to the wall. It's still loose. Oh, God. Which ones go where? Why are there so many extra parts? I think I'm having a panic attack.
Should I get the phone?
Yes, please. Tell him I'll double his tip if he comes right now.
Well, at least you tried. But next time, maybe start with something smaller, like a Lego set.
A Lego set? I am not a child. But maybe a small shelf next time. 刚刚的对话里，大叔我真的是帅不过3秒。学学这3个实用字组。第一 ，handy， 手巧的 ，handy。称赞一个人很会收东西或做木工，可以说 He is very handy。我一开始吹嘘自己 handy， 结果立刻被打脸。所以下次动手前，先问问自己是不是真的 handy。第二 ，extra parts。多余的零件，组装家居最可怕的噩梦就是完成后发现地上有多出来的螺丝，这时候就会崩溃喊 Why are there extra parts？ 另外，点餐想多加料也可以用 extra， 像是 extra cheese。第三 ，panic attack， 恐慌症发作。面对巨大压力或快要崩溃时，可以说 I'm having a panic attack。我看到满地组不起来的零件，就真的快要 panic attack 了。逞强没好处，专业的还是交给专业的来。每天通勤听10分钟，自然习惯这样的语感。我们下次见。
今天的主题是嫌安装水电太贵，决定自己拿电钻在墙上打孔，结果不小心钻破隐藏水管。
Jimmy, are you absolutely sure you know where the pipes are? The plumber quoted us $100 for a reason.
$100 to drill 4 holes? That's a scam. Trust me, I watched a 10-minute tutorial on YouTube. I know exactly what I'm doing.
But you didn't buy a stud finder. You were literally just guessing where to drill.
A stud finder? Honey, I can just knock on the wall and hear where it's solid. Listen. Pup. See? Solid.
That sounds exactly like the hollow part, Jimmy. And the bathroom is right behind this wall. There must be pipes.
The pipes are much lower, near the floor. I'm drilling at eye level. It's safe.
What about electrical wires? Did you even check the circuit breaker?
Stop being such a pessimist. This is an interior wall. It's just wood and plaster.
Fine, but if the house floods, I'm going to the spa and you're cleaning it up.
Deal. Now stand back. This is where the magic happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. It's cold. Where is the water coming from?
I told you. Our living room is a fountain. Turn off the main valve.
The valve? Where is the main valve? Is it in the basement?
How should I know? You're the one who watched the YouTube tutorial. Go to the utility closet.
I can't see. My glasses are fogged up. Everything is slippery.
Just follow the wall. It's next to the water heater. Hurry before the carpet is ruined.
Ouch! I tripped over the stool. It's so dark in here.
Use your phone flashlight, Jimmy. The water is reaching the TV.
My phone is wet. It won't unlock. Oh no, the screen is glitching.
Jimmy, move. Out of the way. I'll do it myself.
Did you get it? Is it over?
Yes, it's over. And you know what else is over? Our weekend.
At least we know exactly where the pipe is now.
Jimmy, I'm calling the plumber and the super and a lawyer.
Not a lawyer, please. I'll pay the plumber $200, $300. Just don't tell your mom. 大叔强行钻墙，结果酿成悲剧。遇到崩溃情境，赶快学会这3个字。第一 ，scam 敲诈、诈骗 ，SCAM。觉得某个东西贵得很不合理，或是遇到诈骗集团，就可以大喊 "That's a scam"。我一开始觉得师傅收费太高是 scam， 结果最后付出超级长痛的代价。第二 ，main valve 总阀门 ，MAIN-VALVE，valve 是阀门。家里大漏水要找 water main valve， 漏瓦斯要找 gas valve。我在客厅发起水灾，女友崩溃要我去关 main valve， 但我完全不知道它在哪儿。第三 ，stud finder， 木造房子的墙壁里有木梁，叫做 stud。要在墙上钻孔，一定要先用这个工具找到木梁，才不会钻到空处或水管。这在 DIY 领域是很专业的必备字哦。网络上教的看看就好，动手破坏房子前请三思。每天通勤听10分钟，自然习惯这样的语感。我们下次见。今天的主题是把客厅弄成大水灾后，请真的水电工来修。听不懂专业术语，只能一直心虚陪笑。
Well, Jimmy, you really did a number on this. You completely severed the half-inch PEX supply line.
PEX, supply line. Right. That's exactly what I thought when I saw the water.
Yeah, and you're lucky you missed the electrical wiring by a fraction of an inch, or you would have fried yourself instead of just taking a shower in your living room.
Fried? Oh, wow. Yeah, I always prioritize safety.
So I need to cut open the drywall, bypass the damaged section with new copper fittings, and reseal the joint. But to do that, I have to drain the entire system first. You understand?
Oh, absolutely. Cut the drywall, bypass the section, drain the system. It all makes perfect sense to me. Very standard procedure.
Okay, good. Since you know so much about it, grab me the wrench for my truck while I start cutting.
The wrench. Yes, of course. Which one? You probably have like 50 different wrenches in there.
Just the standard adjustable wrench, Jimmy, the big silver one.
Big silver one. Got it. Right away, ma'am. Thank you for saving my house.
And don't bring back the pipe cutter this time. We don't need any more leaks.
I know the difference. I am practically an apprentice now.
Yeah, right. If you were my apprentice, I would have fired you before you even plugged in that drill.
Okay, I brought 3 different silver things. Is it this one or this one with the teeth?
This is a pipe wrench, Jimmy. We use it for gripping round objects, but it will do.
See? I am being very helpful. What's the next step, boss?
The next step is you standing at least 5 feet back so you don't get blasted by residual water pressure.
5 feet. Got it. I'm practically in the hallway now.
Good. Now take this flashlight and point it right at the joint. Try to keep your hand steady.
Steady as a rock. I'm the designated lighting technician.
All right, the patch is done. Everything is sealed. Crisis averted.
Crisis averted. You are an absolute lifesaver. I will stick to putting together IKEA furniture from now on. 闯了大祸的我，面对师傅就像作弊被抓包的小学生。我们来学这3个单字与片语。第一 ，did a number on， 严重破坏、重创。师傅看了破洞，说 "You really did a number on this." 如果朋友运动受重伤，也可以说 "That accident really did a number on him." 第二 ，bypass， 绕过、避开。师傅说要牵新管线 ，bypass the damaged section， 绕过坏掉的地方。如果上班遇到大塞车，导航也会帮你找一条路来 bypass the traffic。第三 ，avert， 避免、防止，用于形容阻止坏事发生。水流止住后，师傅说 crisis averted， 危机解除，顺利度过难关，可以说 disaster averted。听不懂专业术语，傻傻点头，然后付钱就对了。每天通勤听10分钟，自然习惯这样的语感。我们下次见。